and welcome to today's tip. Now I'm going to show you how to make a shaker card using foam tape to get around those tight circles that can be sometimes hard to keep all of your glitter and sequins in. So I've just used a normal circle die here for my card, and I've got my vellum. So I'm going to start by just sticking that down. I use just double-sided tape for this. And I can go all the way around here as well, but it doesn't really matter. I don't have to do a circular shape for this one because it's not going to be seen. Okay, I'm going to stick my vellum over the top there. Now I've got a bit of thick tape here, foam tape. Now it's also thick and it's also deep. So I'm actually going to just cut it into half of that width because I don't want it to be that thick. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take off the sticky side as well as so both sides are now sticky, and by having that layer off, it allows my foam tape to bend really beautifully. Okay, so just making sure that they are completely sealed. Also, when they're in this state, you can stretch them a little bit, but be careful you don't buckle your card. And then I'm putting my white bit of tape paper that's going to sit underneath, and now I'm going to add all of my sprinkles. Now I'm just going to fold it over the top, like so. And there we have a fabulous sprinkle card. Now I had this idea the other day about shaking a cold, because I've had a cold for so long, and I thought we could make it a get well card. So I've typed out on my computer, I hope you shake that cold, and maybe a few little glittery dots on the outside, and this card is completely finished. I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to seeing you next time.